Many people may know I enjoy releasing and protecting living beings. My team is working in Myanmar on a 3,000 mu sanctuary, the world's largest life protection park. We rescue cattle and horses, and we're doing this worldwide. I also like performing food offerings and burnt offerings. Why do I do these two things? Because I feel they're very effective methods for cultivating compassion, because you have to face it any time. And for individuals, it's helpful. While I feel that nowadays living being liberation faces many obstacles, I notice the same problem in Taiwan. Once when I went to Canada, something happened. It wasn't me, it was someone else from our group. They released 2 fish into a lake. The local government spent $500,000 Canadian to scoop out all the water, clear the lake, and catch all the fish, just to relocate those 2 fish to another place. After that, they carefully put the water and the fish back in. Several fish would have died in the process. They think that this is what actually constitutes an ecological problem. From the Buddhist perspective, eating meat is what truly destroys the ecosystem. Our view of ecology is that all sentient beings are equal. But in the secular world, it's hard to discuss this. So I really hope that Khenpo can compassionately, for those who are very willing to release living beings, but are now facing many obstacles and are on the verge of giving up, give them some blessings. I know that Khenpo sometimes mentions burnt offerings, reciting Om Ahung and Om Mani Padme Hung, can help with great compassion. I feel that in recent years, I have truly gained insights. Whenever I engage in living beings' liberation and protection, even offering breads, it can generate strong inner power. By not departing from compassion, our contemplation of emptiness will be even better. So I will ask Khenpo's blessings for advice on life release, food offerings to all beings in the ghost realm, and burnt offerings.
Food offering and smoke offering are actually very important, because no matter who they are, if they truly have compassion in hearts, it can be manifested quite clearly in their actions. This is not just something to talk about casually. Actually, in recent years, I have done less living beings release, mainly because my schedule is over tight. I don't have the time. Some of the money for life release have been distributed across the country with the request that everyone perform living beings release within 100 days. In the past, we did life release every year, perhaps more than 20 years. We have always persisted in doing life release. I also hope that everyone can do it. Life is so incredibly precious and valuable. It holds a significance that cannot be measured or compared to anything. This is true for both animals and human beings. So I fully support the Master personally taking part in life release activities, such large-scale activities. We also often pray for the blessings from the 3 jewels and wish everything goes as we wish. Of course, it is the same for us on the mainland. Now, it is becoming more and more inconvenient to do life release. On one hand, there are many different kinds of obstacles and challenges. There are all kinds of obstacles, more and more. So at this time, we also need to have a scientific approach with careful research on ecology. Some Buddhists who do life release, we require them to do it on a small scale. And during life release, there should not be any kind of personal or self-promotion at all. Some people use life release as an excuse to frequently do many things that are not in accordance with the Dharma. These are all in the process of release, that we need to pay attention.